मैं अपनी आईडी भी व्हाट्सएप पे लिंक कर दूंगी।
Very good evening to you. Now, girls, have a revision of chapter 4 and 5 of English. Okay. First of all, mute yourself. Mute yourself. So much noise is coming. Please mute yourself. Those who are coming late, please try to come soon as possible. Pahaldeep, please mute yourself. Okay, now today we have revision of chapter number 4, subject English. Okay, our chapter number 4 is a mice. So I'll show you the page. See. See beta. This is our page number 14 of practice book. Page number 14 of practice book. Okay. So here is a paragraph. Here is a paragraph. Read the passage and read the passage and answer the questions. So what we'll have to do, we first read the paragraph and then find the answers of the questions given in the page. Okay, so first there is a story. Just read it. Read with me. Read the story. There are 5 little ducks. There are 5 little ducks in a corner of the garden. See, there are 5 little ducks in the corner of the garden. They have white feathers and yellow beaks. They have white feathers and yellow beaks. Their feet are very different from the feet of all the other birds in the garden. My mother said that birds use their feet for different purposes. Most birds use them to hold the branch firmly. They also use their feet to gather twigs to build their nests. But ducks' feet are special. They use it to swim. Their feet are like the paddles of a boat. They can swim very fast because of their webbed feet. If there is a swimming competition, I'm sure all my little ducks will win prizes. Okay, so this is the story. Now we have to find the questions, answers of these given questions. See, first question is complete this table. How other birds use their feet? See, in second line, yes, in second line, My mother said that birds use their feet for different purposes. How other birds use their feet? The other birds use their, yes, uh, some birds use their feet for, their feet are very different from the feet of other birds. In the garden, my mother said that their, यहाँ से लिखिए आंसर, the birds that use their feet for different purposes, most birds use them to hold the branch firmly, okay, and some birds use their feet to gather twigs to build their nests, okay. So this is the answer. Now next, what does a duck's feet look like? What does a, look at this, wait, see, what does a duck's feet look like? A duck's feet, see, a duck's feet look like paddles, paddles of a boat. A duck's feet looks like a paddles of a boat. What is the writer sure about? The writer is, what is the writer sure about and why? Okay, the writer is sure about the ducks, ducks. Okay, why? Because he know that because of their, because of the ducks feet, because he is having the ducks and because of his ducks feet, okay, to win the prize. Okay, now the next page is with the animals and their sound. See, animals and their sounds. See, sheep, ba, ba at D point. I will, okay, sheep at baba. Okay, next, duck, quack, quack. Dog, wow, wow. Okay, then cow, moo. Next, owl, hoot. Cat, mew. Okay, so these are the sounds of animals. I'm just showing that maybe the other sounds will come in your exam. You have to uh, read about, you must know about at least 10 to 15 animals with their sounds. Okay, now next page is a story that you have to write yourself. That is a picture of a girl. She is playing with a dog. You must have to write it yourself in your own words. Make 5 lines or 5 sentences on that. Okay, now the next one is poem. See, this is a poem, The Wind. Read the poem and answer the questions. The wind. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. What? When The leaves hang trembling. The wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. So this poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Who has seen the wind? Neither me nor neither I nor you. Okay, but when the dash hang, what hang? The leaves. What when the leaves hang, trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their dash heads, yes, the wind is passing by. So this way you have to read the paragraph and complete the read the poem or the paragraph, whatever is given. This way you have to read the paragraph or the poem and then find the answers from that paragraph only, the questions given. Okay, given questions के जो आपके question answers हैं वो आपने इसी में से ढूंढने हैं. Now the next is find words from the poem that means the same as the words given below. Shaking, trembling. Okay, not even one of two things. Trees bow. To bend down. Bend means head down. Okay, going past, passing by. Okay, so this way you have to complete shaking, trembling. Not even one of two things. Yes. Who has seen the wind? To bend down. To bend down means head down. Going past, passing by. Okay, now the next is the arc of the color. Here is also a paragraph given. The arc of colors. See beta, here is also a paragraph is given, a passage is given. You just read the paragraph and write the answers by given question of given questions. Okay, so read the paragraph first. A very long time, a very long time ago, most parts of the earth were covered with dense forests. As time went by, man needed more and more land for his use. Large portions of forests were cut down and the land was cleared for buildings, factories. Okay. Again, I will repeat it again. If my voice is not able, please, I will repeat it again. See. Long time ago, most parts of the earth were covered. Most parts of the earth were covered with dense forests. As time went by, man needed more and more land for his use. Large portions of forests were cut down and the land was cleared for building factories, railways line, and houses. Man did not think twice about cutting down trees in the forests. Today there are very few forests left. The animals in the forests have lost their homes. each one of us must promise that we will not cut down any more trees. We must promise to replace each tree that is cut by planting 3 saplings in its place. Okay, now you understood. I hope you all understood the paragraph. See, now first question is, what covered most parts of the earth a long time ago? Okay, you just read here, a very long time ago, most part of the earth. See, answer is most parts of the earth were covered with dense forests. Were covered with dense forest. Okay, a very long time ago, most parts of the earth were covered with dense forests. This is the first answer. Now the second is, question is, what did man need more and more as time went by? What did man need? Yes. What did man need? Yes, look at the answer. Try to find out the answer. Man needed more and more land for his use. Man needed more and more land for his use. Okay. Write 3 things for which forests were cleared. You know why the forests were cleared? In this paragraph, most of the forests were cleared for buildings, factories. See, first one is buildings, second one is factories, and third one is railway lines. Okay. What happened to the animals? Now, what happened with the animals? The animals in the forest had lost their homes. Had now here had lost their homes. Okay. What promises must we make? We must make, yes, we should not cut the trees. If we must promise to replace each tree, we must promise to replace each tree that is cut by planting 3 sapling in its place. So this 2 way we have to, yes, this way we can cover the loss. Okay, see, I'll show you one more way. Yes. Now write down the antonyms for these words using this or un. Okay, here are some words are given, so you have to write the antonyms of these words. So I'll write here. See, advantage, advantage. See, we have to write this. See the spelling of advantage. Now the second one is, okay, I'll write. See, look at this page. Yes, the first one is advantage. We have to write disadvantage. Yes, this. Okay, disadvantage. Now the second one is continue. So we have to write discontinue. Third one is available. Available. Unavailable. Un unavailable. Wait, I'm not able to write. Unavailable. Next is necessary, unnecessary. Okay. Next is unnecessary. So we have to write like this, unnecessary. RY. Okay. Necessary. Then next is fortunate, unfortunate. Unfortunate. And the last one is agree, disagree. Last one is disagree. Now write the does and don't for people to follow in your lovely garden in the table given below. One has done for you. See, look at this table. The things, okay, do, for the people to follow in your lovely garden. Now these are some lines which are given by you to do or don't allow the people to do follow in your lovely garden. So what we'll do, we first write here, see here is written, please walk on the pathway, don't pluck the flowers, see, do not step on the plants. Okay, next, yes, you can write whatever you want, you can write. Okay, so these does and don't, this you have to do, do's and don'ts, this you have to write at least three. Okay, now the last one is, see with the last page is, now look at this page, this I have done with the pen. See, first, my friends like to play football. We oblique they will go to the stadium to watch the match. These are the correct the words from the brackets. Okay, you have to tick the correct words. We are they. What will come? Yes, my friends. So we have to click on the we. Okay, we will go to the stadium to watch the match. Next is my friend and I like to eat ice cream a lot. Okay, my friend and I like to eat ice cream. Ice cream a lot. They are going to an ice cream parlor. We. See. Okay, now the next one is rabbit cats is playing with a ball. He oblique it is very naughty. Yes, it is very naughty. Very nice. It is very naughty. Okay, the next one is my mother helps me with my homework. My mother helps me with my homework. She oblique it is very kind. She, yes. She is very kind. Now the last one is will you oblique we come to my birthday party? Will you? Yes. Okay. Now the last one. Write these sentences by adding s. Okay. Now we have to add s. Instead of this much paragraph, we have to use to show the belongingness. Okay. To show the belongingness. Okay. Atif has a green bicycle. So, Atif's. Atif's. Okay. Atif's green bicycle. Okay, we can write like this, Atif's green bicycle. Okay, next one is my Cooper has a brown dog. My Cooper has a brown dog. Mr. Cooper's has a brown dog. Mr. Cooper's brown dog. So what will write? Mr. Cooper's brown dog. Right here. Next one is, okay, I will write here. You can write like this only, but yes, Atif's green bicycle. First one is Atif's green bicycle. Okay. The second one is Mr. Cooper's brown dog. Brown dog. Okay. The next one is Sam has curly hair. Sam's curly hair. Okay, that I have done for you. Next is Seema has a set of new crayons. So what will write? Seema's set of new crayons. And the last one is a lion has sharp teeth. Aradhya, please don't write extra things. Sam's, yes, Sam's set of new crayons. Then the last one is a lion has sharp teeth. A lion's sharp teeth. A lion's sharp teeth. Okay, so this is all about the chapter number 4 and 5. If you have any doubt, I will send you all these things on your snap homework also. Okay, just revise the chapters. Your exams are coming today. I will send you the date sheet also. Please check at the um, snap homework. Okay, so revise your lessons carefully. This time your papers, yesterday I have shown you a sample of paper. I send that paper. You have to able to write all the question answers, long answers, short answers, skip answers, find answers from the boxes, tick the correct answers, choose the correct answers. Whatever is given, you have to do complete paper in your Google Forms. Only yesterday I received only 36 answer sheets. What about the others? I will detect their marks. These 5 marks will go to your second unit paper. I will detect the marks of those students, those who have not attended yesterday's paper. That is for your that was a sample paper. That was your practice work. Now, if anyone has any query about the question paper, whatever I have given yesterday, you have any query about that, you can now you can tell me what what problems you have faced while writing or while opening the link. If you have faced any type of problem, you can discuss with me. Please unmute, all of you, please unmute yourself. All of you, please unmute yourself. Now, girls, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am, no problem.
Okay, I will call you one by one. Please don't
No problem. Ma'am,
Okay.
no problem.
Don't disturb. Girls, I will mute you. I will ask you one by one. Pahaldeep, have you faced any problem yesterday, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what was the problem? आपने पेपर दिया कल?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Problem.
Okay, that is not issue, beta. Network, everybody has the problem. It is not issue. अच्छा, लिंक खोलना आ रहा था ना आपको? पेपर दिया ना आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
You have attempted all the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बोलो बेटा, आप excuse me करते रहते हो और खत्म हो जाता है टाइम.
Ma'am, paper. Ma'am, you said आपने वो बताना था ना. You need to.
No, yesterday I didn't send any date sheet. Today I will send the date sheet. Today I will send the date sheet. After the class, I will send the date sheet on Snap homework only. Okay, and please, girls, whatever the practice paper are given to you, please do the practice of that paper and submit it in time. Within.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो.
मैम, मेरी बहन का ना मेरा पेपर हो गया था क्योंकि मेरी बहन का पेपर नहीं खुल रहा था.
तब उनकी टीचर से डिस्कस.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस, बोलो, जल्दी से बोलो. डोंट शाउट.
मैंने पेपर सेंड किया था, आपको पहुंच गया था.
मुझे सारे पेपर जो मिल गए हैं, आई विल.
मेरा पेपर नहीं हो रहा था मैम, मेरी सिस्टर को हो गया था.
ओके, मेरी बात सुनो. अब कल जो है, मैं कल आपको सबके नाम बताऊंगी, किस किस के कितने कितने मार्क्स मिले हैं इस पेपर में. ओके, कल बताऊंगी आपको.
मैम, excuse me, ma'am.
यस, बोलो.
Excuse me, ma'am. मेरा पेपर नहीं हुआ था, मेरी सिस्टर का हो गया था. Excuse me, ma'am.
बेटा, that was not my problem. If you have only one phone, that is your problem, ना. At least you should adjust. आप लोगों को एडजस्ट करना चाहिए. पहले एक का पेपर दे लो, फिर दूसरे का दे लो. Okay. I will mute you all. I will mute you all.
Excuse me, ma'am. मेरा पेपर नहीं हो रहा था. मम्मा मैम ने बोल दिया ना, ठीक करा लो ना ये फोन. ठीक है.
आराध्या, आप बोलो ना बच्चे. आराध्या, टॉक टू मी.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस, बोलो.
Excuse me, ma'am. ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा था.
आपका लिंक ओपन नहीं हुआ. It means you have some problem in your network. Because 36 children has completed the paper and submitted on time. Okay, it means your network has problem. So you can change the place wherever you sit for the exams. Okay. आप थोड़ा आगे पीछे चले जाया करो पेपर देते टाइम पे. एक ही जगह पे नेट नहीं होता है 24 घंटे. ओके. नाउ पहलदीप, unmute yourself, beta. So okay, next I will call you one by one. Arshia. Okay, you can write on the chat box if you have faced any problem yesterday. If you have faced any problem, please write on the chat box, girls. Please write it fast. Time is very less. You can write it fast within 2 minutes. You can write so that I can check whatever the problem you have faced yesterday. Surbhi,
Yes, ma'am.
have you faced
Yes,
any
ma'am.
problem? Yes, what was the problem, beta?
मैम फॉर्म नहीं खुल रहा था मैम मैंने पेपर देना था मैम फॉर्म नहीं खुल रहा था
कौन सा? आपका ईवीएस का फॉर्म नहीं खुला पेपर का?
नो मैम
Okay, so okay, I will check it why it was not open. You just click the link now if you have the phone. phone है आपके पास?
यस मैम
अच्छा, अभी इसमें जो सेंटर में लास्ट में बटन होता है ना, सेंटर में, उसको क्लिक करो जरा। हो गया क्लिक?
हम लास्ट में मैम मोर वाला
लास्ट में जो
मैम
सेंटर
मोर
में
वाला
सेंटर में नहीं, कुछ नहीं, इसको कुछ नहीं करना आपने। ये जो क्लास है ना, क्लास को कुछ नहीं करना है, क्लास को कुछ नहीं करना। आपके फोन में लास्ट में 3 बटन होते हैं ना, एक से हम बैक जाते हैं, एक से हम बिल्कुल बंद हो जाता है सारा कुछ। आप सेंटर वाले को प्रेस करो।
ओके मैम
फोन के बटन को किया। अब आप व्हाट्सएप में जाओ। व्हाट्सएप में जाकर आप लिंक खोलो जरा।
ओके मैम
खोलो लिंक और मुझे
मैम
बताओ।
शेयर कर दो आप
शेयर को क्यों दबाना बच्चे? आपने क्यों दबाना शेयर?
मैम
देखो बेटा, हमारे फोन में मेरी बात सुनो ना ध्यान से। आपका जो फोन सेट है ना जो, ठीक है, इसमें एक बटन होता है नीचे जिससे हम बैक जाते हैं, होता है ना, उसको हाथ नहीं लगाना। उसके साथ में सेंटर में एक और बटन होता है जिसको क्लिक करो। ओके, टेल योर मदर टू कम। मम्मा को बोलो पास आए। हाँ, बुलाओ मम्मा को।
मम्मा आ गए।
हाँ, बुलाओ मम्मा को। अच्छा सुनो, आप ना ये जो आपके फोन में बैक बटन होता है ना, हेलो, आप सुन रहे हो मेरे को? हाँ जी, आपके फोन में एक सेंटर में बटन होता है, उसको क्लिक कीजिए, फोन के बटन को। सेंटर में है ना, लास्ट में बैक और ये नहीं पता चल रहा आपको? ओके, व्हाट्सएप पे ना आज फिर उस लिंक को खोलने की कोशिश करना। ओके, नहीं पता चल रहा तो लीव इट। नाउ आई विल कॉल द नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट।
मैम आप अपना नंबर दोगे?
My number is in the group only. You can find there. Okay.
मैम ऊपर लिखा है। क्या करते हैं? जैसे देखो व्हाट्सएप पे लिखा है वो।